Hey, good morning. It's Chuck here at Garden Spot Acres. We're finishing up our stairs today. Let's take a look at where we're at. Remember yesterday we had finished cutting out our stringers. I have my treads over here. I made them 2 foot long. So now we're going to go ahead and lay out our stringers so that we know where our treads are going to land. I want to space them as evenly as I can in my situation. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that done. All right, I have one laid out already. I'll go ahead and show you what I did. Okay, first thing we want to do is we want to make sure our layout is on the inside. All right, I'm going to need to drill holes, and I want to drill from the inside out, just in case I don't have my drill perfectly square to the board. Okay. I definitely want the hole that comes out on the inside to be right in the center. All right, so here's the inside of my stringer. And because of my situation, and yours will be different, more than likely, I have to start down 13 inches from the top. That's to clear my my loft floor in the framing. Then I'm going to go down 10 inches from there. And all I did was divide up my remainder here with, I have 8 treads. So I'm just going to make sure I divide this up evenly. Okay. All right, so I got my 8 tread marks. Grab a square, and all I'm going to do now is just put a mark somewhat in the middle. Now I'm going to take my combination square and I'm going to mark here in the center. So these boards are 5.5 inches. So I have this set up a little bit less than 2 3/4, just for the thickness of my line. What I'm marking right now are my hole positions for my treads. And I only need the one in the center. You'll see in a few minutes how this works. Okay. Got that set up. I'm going to go ahead and drill my holes. Again, I'm drilling from the inside to the outside. I want to make sure the inside holes are perfectly in the center. Okay, using a brad point bit. I like to use these because they have the nice point in the middle. And I can line it up here and get more of an accurate hole. Okay, we got that done. Now we need to take our treads and we need to drill a hole right in the center of the tread. So I'm going to take my square, center the ruler part of the square on the board, and there's a groove in the ruler. Just put a dot there, and I'll double check it on the other side, and she's right where she needs to be. Now there is another way to find the center of this end grain here. You can just take any straight edge and go from corner to corner like this, and you can find your center that way also. Okay. So it's just another method to find the center. All right. So I'm going to go ahead again. I'm going to find the center of each one of these. Then I'm going to go ahead and drill them out. Now when I'm drilling these out, I'm only going to go in an inch or so. I'm only going in an inch. I just need to make sure that I have enough hole here to line everything up when I put this together. Again, it's all going to make sense when you see it come together. Okay, got that done. All the holes are drilled, everything's laid out. Now we're gonna see how this all works. I've got some 6-inch timber lock screws here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up on its side like this. I'm going to put a timber lock screw through the hole. Okay. Take a tread. There we go. I'm going to tighten that in. But I'm going to put them all in first before I tighten them. I'm going to go ahead and put all my timber lock screws in, get them ready to go. I'll be back with you when I put the rest of the treads in. So all the treads are in. Now I'm just going to go ahead and tighten these up a little bit. Okay, I'll keep tightening these. Okay, not done yet though. Just give it a few minutes. I'm going to carry this out to the barn and we'll meet you out there and I'll show you what the rest of this process is. All right, I got the stairs in the barn. They don't look right, do they? But we'll get there. I'm just going to go ahead and attach these to my framing here. I'm just going to use the same 6-inch timber lock screws that I use on the treads. These treads are going to pivot. And I'm going to pivot them till they're level. Now I could back these screws off a little bit to make this a little easier. But you can use just a little bubble level. You can put it right on there until it's level. I'll come down here and do one of these center ones here. It's a little bit easier. You put it right on there and pivot it until there it is right there. I'm just going to go ahead and take my nailer and pop a nail here and one on this side. That way she don't fall out of shape while I tighten these screws in. I'm going to go ahead and do that to every one of my treads. Tilt them over. Put the level on. And a little bit there, and there's that one. That's an easy way to build stairs. Pretty simple, huh? Would you guys stop it? Get out of here. Get out. Get going. Ow, 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 ow. Where you're not going to be pecking at each other. Go. You stop pecking at her head. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get every one of these level. I'll be back with you when I'm finished and we'll wrap this up. All right, got all the stairs leveled up. I'm just going to go ahead now and hit these timber lock screws. Tighten them up a bit. Now I'm going to step back, square this up, and lag the stairs into the floor. That looks good right there. Hey, let's try them out. Hey, worked pretty good. Just got to be careful of that last one. It's a higher step. Now I'll just come down them like a ladder. Hey, very nice. Hey, thanks for coming along today. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Hope you liked this video on easy staircase build. Now you can build this any width you want. All right. I wouldn't go anything less than 2x6s for my stringers. But that's pretty solid right there. Hey, don't forget, my videos come out every Wednesday morning and every Sunday morning at 6 a.m. I appreciate you guys watching. I thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy days to help me out and to watch my videos. Hey, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.